Hey everyone, welcome to the Coding Monk. So in last tutorial, we have seen how you can utilize Hardhat Boilerplate for the rapid smart contract development, right? In this video, we are going to learn how you can run your smart contract test, run your linting related things into the GitHub Actions, right? So we want to make whole development lifecycle a very good experience. So whenever somebody creates a pull request, we want to run all the linting first, all the test first, and then any reviewer can have a look at the PR, and if tests are passed, then branch can be merged into the master branch, right? So that we are going to see in this tutorial how you can set this up. If you haven't seen my previous video, check out this video of how you can utilize standard boilerplate for the rapid smart contract development. So let's jump into this video, and let me open this package.json file, and in which I have this ESLint command, right? So this command is for checking lint into my smart contract test, as well as I have npx hardhat test command, which can run to run all the smart contract tests, right? So let me show you how you can set up GitHub workflow into your smart contract development, right? So you will need to create .github directory in which you can create a workflows directory, and in that directory create a ci.yml file or any file name you want, but that should be YML file because GitHub Action understand the YML file. So let me show you what is the structure of this YML file. First one is the name of your workflow, which is test suite. So in my case, it is test suite. In your case, it can be different, right? If you want to do many other things into your action workflow, then you can change the name here. Here I have on property. So on which action I want to run these GitHub actions, right? So my trigger point is whenever I create a pull request on master branch, then this GitHub action workflow will be running. And I have created two jobs. One is for linting. So let me walk you through each and every step. I am putting the name of this job, which is linting checks. This is the container image you can say, which will be used for running this GitHub actions or run this linting. This is the environment variable. I don't need this environment variable to run the linting, but as in my hardhat config file, I'm using this. I will need to keep this here. Otherwise, it will be showing me some error because I can't keep empty private key when I'm running hardhat related task, right? So I'm putting this environment variable, and here I am defining all the steps. So first step is to check out into my repository. Second step is to which node version I'll be using to run this linting related things. And this third step is very important because I don't want to do npm install each and every time when I run this linting, right? So for that, what I'm doing is I'm taking the hash of the package log JSON file and putting it in this step called cache node modules. So whenever I want to install the dependency, first I will check that if these dependencies are already cached or not. So in this step, I'm going to first check that if it has cache dependency. If not, then I will install my all the node modules. And last step is about running the actual lint command. Another job is to run the test. So there are many things which is very similar. So I'm specifying name of the job. I'm running the Ubuntu latest as my container image. I am using environment variables, and all these steps are very common. So I'm installing all the dependency if cache is not hit. So last command is npx hardhat test. So in this two jobs, there are many steps which are common, right? For checking out repository, installing node modules. So these are common steps. So you can improve in a way that these all common steps are executed only once and you only run the specific command for the job. So that is one of the improvement. Now let me push this code to the GitHub. And I'm going to create new pull request. So once pull request is created, you can see that it has started running these steps, right? So if I go to details, you'll see it is installing the node, it will install the modules, and it will run the lint. Wait for a minute and it will finish this linting as well as smart contract tests. All right, as you can see, my all checks have been passed. So linting is also passed and smart contract tests are also passed. So if your smart contract tests are failed, here it will show that it has not been passed. Now, one more thing you will need to do is to set the environment variable into repository, right? So GitHub Action can access those environment variables. So you will need to go to secrets and variables, action, and here you will need to add the necessary variable to run your smart contract test. I have added this account private key. As I said, that you'll need to specify account private key here. So I have added this account private key environment variable so it can be accessed by GitHub Actions. If you want to add more environment variable, then you can click on to this new repository secret and add your environment variable as well as its value. So this is the only step you need to do to run these GitHub actions. Now, few bonuses I wanted to show you that you can also apply branch protection rule. So I have already added one branch protection rule. So let me edit that. So I'm adding this rule onto the master branch, and these are the different rules you can apply for protecting your branches, right? So if you want to merge, it requires pull request. So I have checked that mark. So I cannot directly merge without creating a pull request. It also requires approvals of the peers. It requires review from the code owners. And I am allowing force pushes to this branch, but force pushes can be done by few people only, right? So these are the branch protection rule. You can also check this mark, require status check to pass before merging. So whenever tests are passed or whenever linking is passed, then and then you can merge. So this is very important thing. Without it, it will not let you merge this branch. So this is all about how you can run your smart contract test into GitHub repository. If you have any question, any doubt, you can write in the comments. I'll be answering all your questions. If needed, I will create a video for that. Till then, share this video, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.